Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to introduce you to the most famous Cloudera CCA 175 examination, which is also known as a CCA Spark and Hadoop developer exam. This exam is so popular that if you have this certification you do not need even the masters in IT or computer science. Trust me with that. So let me tell you about the exam, in which there will be 8 to 12 questions. Basically, there are 9 to 10 questions, but some of the students are saying there are 8 questions as well and 12 questions as well. And the time limit is 2 hours, which is 120 minutes. Passing score is 70%, and nobody has any idea how you pass and how you fail. Like, there is no marking scheme, so we don't know how Cloudera like give us the marks. And the language is basically English, and the price is around $295. In Indian rupees, if you say, it's around 20,000. And so you can give whenever. So since the exam is a little costlier, so I would request you to give whenever you are 100% sure that you have completed Spark and Hadoop, each and every tool. So after that you should give the exam. And exam you can give and sit from your home only. You don't have to go anywhere. You'll just have to sit in front of your laptop. Your webcam will be on, and a Cloudera examiner will be in front of you, watching every time, each and every action of yours. He will be asking you to show the entire room 360 degrees from your laptop's webcam, and he'll check each and everything, and then you have to start the exam. Okay, so basically your exam format I have explained you, that you have to get at least 70% of the questions. And if you are working with Apache Spark, then the language should be Scala or Python. And then evaluation and score reporting and certificate is like that. Your exam is graded immediately upon submission, and you will be emailed about all the scores on the same day. If you're passed, they'll say you pass. If you're failed, they'll simply say failed. And like, if you have passed, they'll provide you uh, your certification as a PDF format in within a week. And with along with, you can see they'll provide you some logos, like certified CCA logos, which you can put on your LinkedIn profile or Facebook profile or even on your resumes. Okay, so what is the syllabus basically? Like, coming to your data ingest, you have to be sure with your MySQL commands and your scoop and flume commands, in which you will be importing, exporting, and each and every part are there in my YouTube channel. I have created small videos regarding that, so you don't worry about that, everything will be there. So you can see data ingest, then we have to do the transformation, staging, and storing. That comes into your Apache Spark syllabus, basically your ETL processes. Then you will be doing data analysis using your Spark SQL, and also your Hive. You can also work on Hive. So these are the only three topics which, if you like do it completely, you can easily clear your exam. And this exam, weightage of this exam is more than a weightage of having a master's degree in IT and CS. So basically, that's all I want to show you. And if you like the video, please do subscribe and like to this video and to my channel, to get updated for the further videos of mine. Thank you so much.